Welcome to the demo video of Project Orbit, a social media hangout app designed for meaningful interactions with your first and second degree connections. Let's begin by introducing the team behind Orbit. First up, we have Samarth Maneshwari, who led the development of the backend storage and authentication systems. He implemented OTP-based login and helped build key pages like all users, incoming requests, and my connections. Next, meet Vaibhav Kumar. He contributed extensively to the project documentation, navigation setup, profile screen, friend selector, and most importantly, the development of the connection graph. Then we have AD Jain, the chief designer who brought the app's look and feel to life. His design inputs refined almost every screen and elevated the overall user experience. And finally, Shivansh Srivastava, who created the initial design framework and played a vital role in debugging and refining the app throughout its development. With the team introduced, let's dive into the live demo of Orbit.
You got the app loading. It says new updates available. Downloading. Let's wait for the app to load. So the app is called Orbit, as we have already previously discussed. Here comes the onboarding page. You have a Giphy welcoming you, denoting the main purpose of the app. Here we are uploading the photo. We can enter the name over here, and enter the name in the dialog box. Then we can enter the age and select genders from the 72 genders available. So we have selected male. Then we enter the age -18, for example. We can enter whatever bio we want to, then just continue. Now here we are at the authentication sign-up page. We enter an arbitrary email address, demo5@orbit.com for example, and an arbitrary password. Let's say 123,456. Now we create the account by clicking the purple button. Now the account is created on Firebase, so we move ahead. As per the plan,
we have to select in connections. Now we get an OTP, so let's enter the OTP we got at the command prompt. Now we shall move ahead to the home screen. So as we can see, we have all users, which we shall open to see what happens. So this is the all users screen. We have three options: remove, send, and unsend. So suppose we sent a request, then we can get the option to unsend it. And remove is for users who are already our first degree connections. Now we shall see the find friends option. It's a page where you'll find only the new users, ones that aren't your first degree connections. Now here is the network option, which displays your first degree and second degree connections. Now here's the Hangout page. This is where you can send Hangouts to your friends. For example, we are sending a Hangout request to Samarth1 saying it's a casual Hangout, and we tell them we want to meet at 7 p.m. at CCT Mac. Now we sent the Hangout invite. Now we shall send one more Hangout request via a mutual friend. This is Demo 1, a Premiere demo account we tried to create. We'll again send the same Hangout request and see what happens next. Now before seeing the Hangout requests on the other page, let's first explore some other options, like send Hangout requests. This shows whatever requests we sent so far, like Demo 1 and Samarth1. Demo 1 is shown under Approval Request, and Samarth1 is shown under Direct Connections, since Samarth1 is a first degree connection. Now the graph is loading. Let's see how the graph works. So you have a primary circle at the bottom of the page and a secondary circle at the top. First degree connections go in the primary circle, and second degree connections are in the secondary circle, meaning they are connections of the selected first degree connection. We can select a first degree connection on the primary circle by clicking on it. It says loading orbit, and then the graph loads. Now we'll explore the incoming request option and the My Connection option. My Connection shows your connections. Incoming Hangout request shows incoming Hangout requests. And the profile page lets you edit your profile.
So this was a brief walkthrough of the app. We explored the functionality of various screens such as senthangoutrequests.js, homescreen.js, sendhangoutrequests.js, findfriends.js, etc. As per the problem statement, we have successfully implemented the following features: user onboarding, sign-up functionality, OTP-based authentication, selection of N closest friends, interaction with all users, sending and accepting Hangout requests, and the visualization of the user's connection graph. So now we'll log in from Samarth1's account to approve the request from Demo5. We'll enter the email address smarth1@orbit.com and password 123456. Now we log in. We get the OTP again. After this, we'll check the incoming requests. So as we can see, Demo5 has sent us a request, which we can approve or deny. It has also sent us a second request. The approval request says it's for Demo5 to meet with Demo5. So this is here. Therefore, we conclude the walkthrough or demo of the app. Apart from what we saw previously, we have now seen the working of Hangout Request at the receiver's end and at the approver's end.